How is it going, crypto enthusiast? I hope you are having a great day. I just wanted to make a quick update on my NFT trading journey. I had a couple of new flips since my last video. As you can see in my table, last time I was only having these two transactions, but ever since I was able to add 6 more flips to my wallet. As you can see, I had this ArtBlock NFT that I bought for this price, and I was able to flip it a little bit higher. As you can see, I deducted the fee from the OpenSea website, which is 2.5% when you sell something, and I was able to buy it here, and I flipped it 6 days after I bought it, so it was a decent flip, so to say. And the other ones that I bought, they were from the my Curio card collection. I was able to get my hands on 3 pieces for a decent price, as you can see. Let's add these into my table. 1941, it's already added. The other one was for 139, 0.139, and the third one was for 0.125. So these were the buying prices, and let's calculate the selling prices for these as well. I sold BTC one for 0.1355, and we need to deduct the 2.5% fee from OpenSea, which comes down to this number. Let's add it to our table. 3, 2, 1. We made some profit on this, as you can see. Let's add the other 2. It was one of the berries was sold for 149, and let's add this to our table. 0.1452. Some little profit, as you can see. And the third one was sold for a little higher, fortunately. 169, which comes down to this number. Let's add it quickly. 1647 ETH. So we made a bigger gain on this one. And the third one I made was with the Friends 2 NFT. I bought it on a different marketplace, and I flipped it on OpenSea instantly in 10 seconds, and I was able to make this profit on it. I made a video about it. If you want to check it out, click on the link. And I also wanted to say what happened with this My Curio cards collection, because I was buying them for a decent price, but the floor price was decreasing, and I was starting to get worried that I couldn't sell it for a profit. But then after a while, I can show you that a big buyer came in. You can see he bought like shitloads of NFTs, like 15 pieces, and 3 of them were mine. 1, 2, and 3. And the floor price was around, let's see, 135 ETH back then, and he pumped up the floor price to like 175 or something like that, since he bought a lot of NFTs from the floor. And it can also happen sometimes. There was some luck factor involved in to this, but hey, whatever. we could sell 4 of my Curio cards NFTs, and as you can see, these are all of my trades, and my total profit comes down to this number. If we look at the price of Ethereum today, let's check on CoinMarketCap. It's 1,830 USD. We made a decent profit of over $500. That's what I do. I try to trade them and flip them in a short period of time. I hope it was useful for you, this video, and make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Thanks. See you guys.